as the light above cast frantic shadows across the walls. A cold draft snaked around my neck, whispering my name. The fan spun faster, bulbs pulsing like a heartbeat. Suddenly, the chain yanked itself, snapping the light off. Pitch black. The blades shrieked, spinning impossibly fast. I tried to scream, but the air was sucked upward. When the lights flickered back, I was gone, replaced by a shadow spinning endlessly on the ceiling.